Wait, who is this from? Who is that from, Katif? It's from Doda and Dode and Casey and Haley and Clarissa. And how old are you today? 4. Yay! Happy birthday! Okay, open it up.
Open it. It's a Spider-Man hat. It's a Spider-Man hat.
Open.
Look, it's a Spider-Man hat. Yay! And what's this?
What's that?
Huh?
Well, you have to open it. You have to
It's a shirt.
lift it up and show me.
It's a shirt.
No, stay there. Stay there.
It's a shirt.
Let me see. Hold it up. Oh, look at that. It's Rex the dinosaur.
Now I put it on.
Wait. Show me the Spider-Man costume.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What's that?
A brand new Spider-Man costume.
What's the big?
Wait.
Whoa. And
Yay!
what's the Spider-Man costume? And what's this? Oh, a mask. That's the hat. Want to see how it looks on?
Yes.
Okay.
Tú eres de aquí para Jamón.
Maria, put that down.
Okay. Well, that's backwards. No, it's not. Yeah, look. The eyes are supposed to be dark. Let me put it on for you. Okay, I can do it. Look. It didn't like that one. Okay. Well, we need it by the eye.
Okay, we're waiting here. Come on.
Hey, it's not getting on. Maybe. Oh my god.
There you go. Now it's open. Oh my goodness. Somebody is becoming Spider-Man.
Let's turn it. Top of it. Woo! Oh my eye.
It looks a little bit like our friends from Hamas, but a lot more fashionable.
Hi, Spidey.
Now you can take off your clothes and put on the Spider-Man costume.
No, you put the costume on over your clothes.
Hey, Chief, could I put it on for you? Yeah, maybe I can see what's inside it. Oh, that's
Wait, first of all, Katifi, look here. What do you say to Doda and Dode?
Thank you.
Yay.